Hey y'all, I just wanted to pop in and show you guys my client, okay, and her progress. Her hair is growing beautifully. It was her prayers that she would be able to wear her hair in its natural state, and that's exactly where we're at now. She's been wearing her hair in its natural state for like maybe 2 years now, and I am glad that I was able to be a part of that, helping her with her hair care journey. When doing these braids, especially on the client with alopecia, you have to be gentle. The braids cannot be tight at all right? So this is our go-to hairstyle. Sometimes I style it in a ponytail, sometimes I style it in a mohawk, but as long as I style it in a way where it is covering her problem areas. So I was thankful and grateful that I was able to help grow her hair so that she can wear it in its natural state. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. Be blessed.